What makes me passionate about this profession is that I have the opportunity to uniquely take care of each individual person and get them back to the activities that they love doing most. And there's nothing more rewarding than taking care of someone and then them showing up back in your office later and saying, I'm running again or I'm mountain biking again with no pain. That's very fulfilling for me. I want my patients to know that I form my care around a very two-way relationship. I want them to be able to ask me questions if they have questions. I want them to feel comfortable with the care that I'm providing. Ultimately, I think the success of some of our treatment is based on your patient understanding exactly what's going on. I'm most excited about Central Oregon because I feel like I can relate to a lot of the patients I'm taking care of. I think people really find comfort in that and knowing that you understand their situation. I'm Branam. I'm an orthopedic foot and ankle surgeon here at the center.